Hello everyone and welcome to day 2 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today's challenge is a little bit different than day 1 or yesterday's challenge. So today we are focusing on circles, and also we're going to have a little play with a circles in an array function, which we're going to be able to format from one singular point. So today's challenge is we have a external diameter which is referenced or offset 10 mm away from this secondary line. Secondary line has a diameter of 150, and this is all referenced from a datum or from our internal circle center point. We have 8 little holes which are all spun around this blue little vision line, which is a radius from the center of 45. Finally, on this point is you have 8 holes which are all equally spaced around this vision line, or pitch circle diameter, which will allow you then to create your array from the center point. So, looking for the array tools, think about the polar array function within AutoCAD. Lastly, because this is like a type of pulley system, we have a keyway, and our keyway is located on the 180 degree or the horizontal line to the right. This keyway is 10 millimeters in height and 8.85 millimeters in width. So think about using the other tools that we can kind of use, such as trim, and using the line tool to create those little functions. So this is today's challenge. I've also put a link above which is linking into yesterday's challenge. Also there's going to be a link there for the solution for yesterday's challenge, just in case you missed the upload yesterday. Also, I'm going to put a couple more links in the description about viewing some additional videos I've created about creating title blocks and about creating page and border setups, which some of you requested yesterday. So overall, have fun with this challenge. If you can, check back in at 6 PM and you'll see the solution for this one, and a bit of a discussion on how we created it. Maybe you did a different approach to how I did when I made these little mini projects. So have fun, get creating, and once again let me know in the comments how you got on. So look forward to seeing you all later on. Thanks very much.